Are you stuck in the carbophobia trap? In this video, you'll discover how to overcome the fear of carbs and reclaim a balanced life. Hi, I'm Lesya, a nutritionist for professional women, and today we're talking about carbophobia. What is carbophobia? Carbophobia is the fear or aversion to carbohydrates, particularly the belief that they are the enemy when it comes to weight loss and overall health. Carbophobia is like a dark cloud that hovers over our love for carbs, casting doubts and fears about their role in our lives. Imagine that your mind is a beautiful garden, and carbs are the vibrant flowers that bring it to life. But over time, societal beliefs and misleading diet culture have sprinkled seeds of doubt, making us fear the very essence that nourishes our bodies. Why does carbophobia grip so many of us? Let's explore the top reasons that have led us to this tangled web of fear. Misleading diet culture. In a world bombarded with diets and weight loss trends, we've been conditioned to believe that cutting out carbs is the golden ticket to a slim figure. It's like being on a journey, but someone handed us the wrong map. Picture this. You're on an exciting adventure to discover a treasure of a healthy and balanced life. But instead of a reliable compass, you've been given a misleading map that leads you away from the very essence of sustenance: carbs. It's time to throw away that map and find the true path to nourishment. Carb misunderstandings. Carbs have been wrongly demonized, leading us to believe they're the sole culprit behind weight gain. It's like blaming the moon for the tides when there's so much more to the story. Let's clear the air and set the record straight. Carbs are not the villains. They're co-stars in the play of life. They provide the energy that keeps us dancing through each day. It's time to stop pointing fingers at innocent carbs and embrace them as our partners in vitality. This is what happened to me after losing 110 pounds on keto and following the keto diet for 6 years straight. I thought carbs were the devil and that eating them would make me fat. I knew carbs would be the solution to my high cortisol and adrenal issues, but I was too scared to eat them. It took me years to overcome this, but trust me when I tell you, if I can get past carbophobia, so can you. At the end of this video, I'll tell you how I did it, so make sure you stick around till the end. Guilt and shame. Many of us carry guilt and shame about indulging in carb-rich foods, feeling like we've committed a terrible sin. It's like being afraid to dance at a party because you think everybody is judging your moves. We've been caught in a never-ending guilt trip about enjoying the foods we love. It's time to liberate ourselves from this suffocating burden of shame. Dance with joy, embrace these carbs, and celebrate the goodness that they bring to your life. Carbophobia can manifest in various behaviors, and it's essential to recognize them if we're falling into this trap. Extreme restriction. One common behavior is extreme carb restriction, like avoiding all carbohydrates like they're the plague. It's like trying to ride a bike with one wheel. You're missing out on nutrients your body sometimes needs, especially as a woman with delicate hormones. You wouldn't try to pedal your bike with only one wheel, right? Well, depriving your body of carbs is like taking away a crucial source of energy and vitality. It's time to embrace the balanced ride of life with all the nutrients your body craves. Yo-yo dieting. Carbophobia can lead to yo-yo dieting, constantly starting and stopping diets with no lasting results. It's like driving in circles and never reaching your destination. Yo-yo dieting is like being on a roller coaster with no end in sight. Up and down, over and over again. It's exhausting. It's time to get off that ride and embark on a steady journey of nourishment and self-love. Emotional eating. Many women with carbophobia turn to emotional eating as a coping mechanism, especially during moments of stress and anxiety. It's like seeking comfort from a bowl of ice cream after a bad day. Food can be a source of comfort, but it shouldn't be our only refuge. Let's shift our focus from emotional eating to mindful nourishment, finding healthier ways to cope with life's challenges. So, do you want to know the secret to conquering carbophobia once and for all? The key lies in the art of gentle carb cycling, a gradual and empowering approach to reintroducing carbs into your life. Think of it as easing into a warm, inviting bath rather than diving headfirst into freezing waters. Here's why gentle carb cycling is the best way to overcome carbophobia and embrace the true power of carbs. Many women struggling with carbophobia have experienced the pool of extremes. Perhaps you've been on a strict no-carb or low-carb diet, fearing the very essence of carbs. And then, in a moment of rebellion, you might have found yourself devouring all the carbs in sight. But these extremes often lead to more fear and frustration. Imagine your body as a finely tuned instrument, and carbs as the harmonious notes that compose a beautiful melody of nourishment. When we abruptly switch from no carbs to all the carbs, it's like playing a chaotic symphony, leaving us feeling unbalanced and disoriented. Eating all the carbs at once might seem liberating, like setting yourself free from carbophobia's grip. However, it can lead to a host of challenges that only reinforce the fear. Let's take a closer look at these perils. Water weight woes. Carb overload can lead to temporary water weight gain, leaving you feeling bloated and discouraged. But remember, just like a sponge, your body absorbs the water to accommodate the carb influx. It's a natural adjustment, and the water weight will fade as your body adapts. Think of your body as a wise gardener, absorbing the water like rain to nurture the seeds of vitality. Trust the process, and soon the bloating will dissipate, revealing a stronger, more nourished you. Energy roller coaster. Feasting on all the carbs can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes that leave you feeling drained and shaky. It's like riding a roller coaster without a seatbelt, leaving you unsteady and exhausted. Imagine your energy as a gentle stream, flowing steadily with the right amount of carbs. But with carb overload, it becomes a turbulent river, tossing you around and leaving you feeling drained. Embrace the balance of gentle carb cycling, and you'll sail smoothly on the river of sustained energy. Carb hangover regret. Excessive carb intake might leave you feeling sluggish and regretful, like waking up to a storm after a night of indulgence. But remember, it's just a temporary state that can be avoided with a mindful approach. Think of your body as a magnificent vessel, craving nourishing foods that propel you forward. Like a captain steering the ship, you have the power to avoid the stormy seas of carb hangovers and embrace the calm waters of balance. Now here's the golden key to unlocking the power of carbs while conquering carbophobia. Gentle carb cycling is like a compassionate friend, guiding you through the process of reintroducing carbs at your own pace. Let's explore why this approach is the ultimate solution. Gradual adjustment. Gentle carb cycling allows your body to adapt gracefully to increased carb intake. Like a symphony conductor, you orchestrate the perfect balance of carbs, fats, and proteins, optimizing your energy levels and overall well-being. Picture yourself as the conductor of a beautiful symphony, skillfully bringing together different instruments in perfect harmony. With gentle carb cycling, you create a balanced composition that nourishes your body and soul. Shifting mindset. By slowly reintroducing carbs, you shift from fear to empowerment. Carbophobia is like a shadow lingering in the corners of your mind, but with each gentle step, you shine a light on the truth. Carbs are allies, not adversaries. Imagine that you hold a lantern, illuminating the path ahead. As you embrace the power of gentle carb cycling, the shadow of fear dissipates, revealing the brilliance of balanced nutrition. Sustainable progress. Gentle carb cycling builds sustainable progress, like constructing a strong foundation for your journey. Each step brings you closer to a life of balance, nourishment, and freedom from fear. Think of your journey as building a magnificent castle of health and empowerment. Each gentle step in carb cycling becomes a sturdy brick, contributing to the foundation of lasting success. You don't have to take my word for it. Science supports the empowering approach of gentle carb cycling. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism found that the gradual reintroduction of carbs enhances metabolic flexibility, helping our bodies efficiently switch between using carbs and fat for fuel. This adaptability leads to stable energy levels and consistent weight management. So are you ready to embark on your journey of carb liberation and empowerment? My carb cycling cheat sheet is your compass to success. It's like having a GPS that navigates you through the journey of nourishment and empowerment. This cheat sheet offers step-by-step instructions on how to slowly and safely reintroduce carbs into your life. It's your guiding light, ensuring you navigate the seas of carbophobia with ease and grace. Download your copy in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.